In footwork, we have what are called kickouts. You can do kickouts with one leg or two legs, and you can also go in lots of different directions with the kickouts. We're gonna learn about the single leg kickout to the front and the double leg kickout to the front. So you're gonna go into that zero position home base again, really nice and comfortable here. We're gonna put that one hand right by our heel behind us, and our opposite leg is gonna shoot out. So if my right hand is down, then I'm leaning away to allow my opposite foot, my left leg, to go ahead and lean away. So you've got one leg or single leg kicking out, right? Exactly what it sounds like, it should look like. So kick out, kicking out, one leg. I can do a visor, I can throw my hands out, hips, chest, whatever you want to add, right? But definitely add some storytelling with that hand. Go ahead and pull back up to home base, and we're going to switch to the other side. I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to go ahead and kick out that opposite leg. Play again with that hand, position, posture, whatever you're feeling, nice and strong. It's not crucial that that leg is straight. Definitely don't get caught up in that technical or technicality, I guess, of the move. As you start to speed up, those things do matter, but it's, you don't have to like really focus so much on locking the back of the knee, but to create a good line is really great. So kick out, come back to the center, kick it out, single, switch, back center, kick it out, back center, boom, back center. As you can see, my upper body does shift quite a bit. So make sure that as you put your hand down, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it, nice. That's the single leg kick out. Same thing for the double leg. Now, both legs will kick out. Same direction, same mechanics, same thing. Boom, back into home base, switching hands, boom, back into home base, switching hands, boom, back in, switch hands, boom, back in. Nice. You can see I'm going from my toes prop all the way back under me so I can sit, then I go to my heels, back to my toes, right underneath. So make sure that those legs carve right underneath, yeah? Back to support you. Single leg, double leg kickouts, stay nice and tight, utilize that core, move around, stay on the tops of those hands, and you should be good. You can download Levels today. It's available on Google, iOS, and Roku, or by going to dancelevels.app.